Morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. It is Saturday, 6th of April, and this is just a quick catch up. Don't know if you can hear the wood pigeons in the back. So we have my heater propagated up to temp. That's 20.8, 20.9. So look over here. That's 17.1, and that's because that has not had the lid on it, but it's not done bad. First of all, let's take the top off these. I do this every morning, otherwise you're going to get them rotting off. That's one lot of petunias I got a couple of weeks ago. They're doing really well now. Two lots. So yeah, these are what came yesterday. I have Titan White. Let's have a look, shall we? So we can go through these without forgetting everything. So we have Titan White, 2 of those, Purple Star, 4 of those, Titan Lavender. You can see from yesterday, all perked up nicely. But these are the ones that are looking really well. Yes, these are the ones I got a few weeks ago. As you can see, let's get one out here. Let's get this one out, just to show you. On here, this one's getting all these nice side shoots that are coming off this. What I'll do with this, I'll nip these off probably. Might make go to another node there, leaf node. Cut it off there, then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 joints there for that to sprout from. You don't want to leave them too long because you end up going leggy then. But the more you do that, the thicker and more robust your petunias are going to be, which will be absolutely amazing. You get more flowers, healthier plants, and you can take cuttings from them. I'm going to leave them a couple more weeks from here, check on them again, and as soon as they get big enough for cuttings, we shall do that. But yeah, here's the seedlings. Well, the seeds are sowed. You see, a few weeks ago. Here we have Evening Primrose. I've got left to right. Alistum, they're coming nicely. What are they? Pansies. We have marigolds, delphiniums, lobelia, which are just starting to come through now. Just not if you see those there. And then we have stocks, 10-week mix, and cosmos. These cosmos are always grow the quickest out of everything. Then these are the ones that, this 2 trays here were the ones that were sown before everything else. And then I got the Banner's mum's got dementia, and then everything got put on hold and left. But now we're sorting all that out. Get back to the gardening again. And then we have a couple of trailing fuchsias, which are great. A couple of pelargoniums there. We come round here. These are 2 plants I bought from Morrison's, trying them past yesterday. Dianthus, Hardy Pink, and that's another flower variety. Let's get up here, shall we, folks? These are my sunflowers, and amazingly, we have our first sunflower. Well, we've got 2 actually. I am absolutely over the moon with that. Well, hey, so we have a couple there. You see one that just starts to poke his little head through. So yeah, we are going to have some amazing sunflowers this year. If you watch my series, just follow my series of videos, and you too will have amazing sunflowers. So yeah, here we have my tray of tomatoes. Nothing coming yet, but we'll go up and have a look at the strawberries next. Right, here are the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trays of those. So I am really pleased with those as well. So yeah, just have a quick spin round again, and that's about it. I'll be making some videos later on today. So if you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.